Hi everyone, this is my CS50 final project. My CS50 final project is a simple web application which enables residents to pay their monthly maintenance fee and to handle the data of the residents of a particular apartment. There are typically four types of users. A user can add tenant, edit tenant, pay their maintenance fee and view their payment history. Let me add tenant. Since I have already added tenant, let me go remove it. Creator. Let me go pay. Oh, I already paid for February. Let me go pay for any other month. Say September. Here comes the payment gateway. Payment successful. I'm getting an acknowledgements receipt in my mail ID as well. Let me go back to the dashboard. And yeah, this is about user. Admin can add staff, edit staff, add user and edit user, and manage bill as well. And him and only him has the right to delete the bills. Deleted successfully. And let's add a user. User registered. Let's look after staff and tenant quickly. Staff, tenant. I'm Mugesh and this is CS50.